Well, it's that time of year. Here's a nice simple arrangement of one of my favourite Christmas tunes, Silent Night. I've broken it down into left hand and right hand
Slowly.
And then speed it up a little bit.
so you can play along at whatever pace you like. So if you find reading difficult, that's perfectly fine. Reading music isn't for everyone. So I've slowed this down, separated the hands, so you've got a nice slow version of the left hand, a slow version of the right hand. Then I've put them together, given you a couple of tips here and there. So if you put the time in, you can have this ready for Christmas and surprise everyone. Right hand slowly. Slow down. Now apply the right hand pedal. So let's try the left hand slowly. Right hand up to speed. If you've got all that, let's put them together. Slow down and apply the pedal. Okay, a tempo. If you enjoy that, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know if there are any other tunes you'd like to learn. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the button now. Also, it'd be great if you'd like and share. Don't forget to practice. I'm Niall. See you next week. Happy Christmas!